Hi everyone, this is Elise Wilkerson, and today I'm going to be talking about something that I've learned in this class this far. And I'm going to be talking about co-teaching and the importance of it while doing it by doing a Kahoot game. So I have somebody here with me that is going to play with me today, and so they're going to get started in 1 second. All right. Okay. All right, she's in. Okay, so we're going to get started, and to begin, let's get started. Okay. All right, co-teaching. All right, the first one is a quiz. What is co-teaching? All right, co-teaching. Let's see what she gets. That is correct. Co-teaching is when two teachers work together to teach a classroom. And it is mostly a general education teacher and a special education teacher that works together to co-teach. Right. The next question is true or false. Grouping flexibility is important in co-teaching. Is it true? Yes. It is very true that group teaching is flexible. Grouping flexibility is very important during co-teaching. All right. The next one is a quiz. What is core during co-teaching? All right. It is all of them. Core is where the two teachers work together in partnership and they share everything. It is where the teachers grade, assess, and instruct the students together. And it is also where the teachers meet often to make necessary decisions with meetings. Meeting with your co-teachers and communicating is very important while co-teaching to be successful. Right? So the next one is true or false. The teachers are to share equal responsibility and accountability. That will be true. It is important to share responsibility and accountability while co-teaching. All right. What is station teaching? All right. Station teaching is both A and D. It is where the two teachers are responsible for different parts of the lesson plan, and it is also part of co-teaching. So the next one is quiz. Benefits of co-teaching. Let's see. All right, let's see what she gets. Correct. The benefits of co-teaching are students get more one-on-one time with the teachers. They get to learn different teaching styles and experiences, and it helps make the IEP better for the students. The teachers are also getting to observe the students. All right, last but not least, what are the different types of co-teaching? She is correct. There are different types of co-teaching, which include team teaching, one teaches and one assists/observes, station teaching, parallel teaching, and alternative teaching. All of these are very important and crucial while co-teaching, and I believe that co-teaching should be used more in the school systems. But anyways, this is my lesson on co-teaching today, and I feel that I have learned a lot after during this class, and I hope everybody else has learned some during this class. So I hope all of you have a great day.